Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones Adidas RPD 01 on your iOS devices. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write Adidas headphones. Right here, click on it and then install. Oh, they need my Face ID. Now open it. Hello. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.